Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT Z51 in Arctic white on blue leather interior with a nightfall blue top. So we'll just start over at the back here. It is what they call the Twilight Blue version. So it's got the shark gray accents around the tail lights there, which is a part of that package. And let's have a look in the trunk here. So nice size trunk here for the Corvette Convertible. This piece here is a partition, so you just simply pull on this when the top is up, and this folds down to give you that extra space there. Down in the corner we've got some storage. There's a couple little goodies down there, oil filler tube, and then we've got the net, so hold your things nice and tight while you're going around the corners. We'll go ahead, we'll close this up. It does have soft close, so I just simply press and it pulls itself closed there, so that's perfect. We've got the color matched Z51 style rear spoiler, LED tail lights. You've got the carbon flash metallic lower half of the bumper, and then we've got quad tip NPP performance exhaust. So on the outer ports there's dampers that open and close to make it louder or quieter, and you can set that on the screen or using the mode selector. So here's your rear wheel. So we've got nice polished aluminum wheels. We've got black painted Corvette calipers. And let's see, we've got nice Michelin tires on there as well. So here we are at the passenger side. We've got the black and the blue leather accenting with the deviated blue baseball stitching. Looks great. We've got the 10 speaker Bose stereo. We've got electronic door release, power windows, power locks. And have a look at the Stingray kick plate. It's in fabulous condition, as you can see. We've got the nice upgraded Stingray mats there as well. On the seat we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, power lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's in really good shape, as you can see. Looks great. And let's hop in. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean, looks good. So we've got heated and cooled seat control for the passenger here, temperature display, temperature control. Again, nice deviated stitching that runs along. You've got the blue with the black accent up the top. We've got the Alcantara or suede A-pillars and along the top here on the visors and the upper piece here as well. There's your frameless mirror with OnStar built in. And we'll have a look. So in the glove box, we do have the books. Those are all there. That's perfect. Great, so we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back here and we'll just scan down this side so you can see the condition. Looks good. And there we are again with the vent. It's done in shark gray, and we've got the chrome badge package there. So here's your front wheel. It's in nice shape, as you can see. Again, Michelin tires, black painted calipers, and heavy duty brakes with the Z51. So under the hood, we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower. That's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. In the corner here, we've got our dry sump oil system. Also with the Z51, you get the transmission cooler and the rear differential cooler. And then on the hood, the hood blanket, we've got the Corvette emblem as well. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close this up, and we'll have a look from the front. So there's the shark gray insert there, again with the Twilight package. We've got the front curb view camera, so there's one there and one on this side. And just have a look at the condition of the front bumper. It's in great shape, as you can see. Looks good. Sorry, there's a little bit of water there. I just washed it for you, so it's still leaking out of the hood blanket there a bit. So we'll just have a look closely, and I'll just see if there's anything that we need to point out. One little tiny mark right there, which we'll touch up, and let's see if there's anything else. Nope. No. So it looks good. So we'll just move around to the other side here. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power locks, we've got our memory seats with exit button, we've got power windows, we've got the electronic door release, the Bose stereo, and again the two-tone blue with the black leather. Looks great. Over the driver's side, there's your Stingray kick plate. A little bit of minor scuffing, but we'll polish it. We'll make it look as best as we can for you. Again, those nice Stingray mats, power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar, and side bolster adjustment. And again, I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Looks great. So we'll get in, let's fire this one up. There it is. All right, so in terms of kilometers, it's in miles there. So we have 9,414 miles on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash here. Over here, we've got our cruise control options. We've got our favorites, our track change down here. We've got volume control here, and I don't know if you can see that, but that's a blue baseball stitching or deviated stitching that runs around the steering wheel. The arrow keys here will control the dash, so we'll so if we hit here, we've got info, performance, audio, phone, nav, settings. And then we've got telephone control and voice command control. We've got paddle shifters, plus and minus. We've got heads-up display, so I'll just turn off the headlights and we'll brighten that up so I can show you. So there it is, there's your heads-up display on the windshield. And beside that, power mirrors, power convertible top is right here, trunk release and alarm on and off down there, and then we've got our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel there. On this side we've got push button start, we've got behind screen storage here, and up here we've got a radio, so AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth streaming, auxiliary in, USB in, phone is telephone control, projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, nav is full factory navigation, performance data recorder, and if we go over cameras, so I'll put it in reverse, there's your reverse camera, there's your front cameras, and then down below we've got our dual zone climate control, so when we turn that, we get the controls up here. And then you also have heated and cooled seats there as well. There's your Stingray placard, and there's your 8-speed automatic shifter with the nice blue stitching on it. Looks great. Over here we've got 12-volt socket, we've got cup holders here, electronic parking brake, and then we've got our twist knob here. So we've got touring, sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. And then in the center armrest, we've got 2 USB ports, the line in and the 12-volt socket. Since it's a convertible, I'll go ahead and I'll put the top up so you can see the operation. So this panel here flips up, and there goes the top. And then that piece goes back down, locks into place, and then the bottom piece flips down again. And then it beeps when the operation's done. So now it says folding top motion complete. So we'll put the windows up and we'll just hop out with the running, have a look and a listen. Nice sound to it. So we'll just have a look at the front with the headlights on. There it is. And let me just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And here's the top. The top is a dark blue. It's just wet right now, so I see that it appears black in the video, but it is a darker blue. So you can see the condition. There's no rips, there's no tears. Everything looks great. So there it is. Perfect. And let's have a look from the back to the running with the taillights on. Looks sharp. Have a listen. Nice rumble. There you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 3LT Arctic White with the Twilight Blue Package here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.